Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add comments in Microsoft Word. Comments are very useful when reviewing documents, giving feedback, or collaborating with other people without changing the original text. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Microsoft Word on your computer and open the document where you want to add comments. Once your document is open, highlight the word, sentence, or paragraph where you want to leave a comment. After selecting the text, go to the Review tab located at the top of the screen. In the Review tab, click the New Comment button. A comment box will appear on the right side of the document. Now type your comment inside the box. For example, you can write suggestions, corrections, feedback, or reminders related to the selected text. After typing your comment, click anywhere outside the comment box to save it automatically. You will now see a comment indicator connected to the highlighted text showing that a comment has been added successfully. If you want to edit a comment later, simply click on the comment and update the text. To reply to an existing comment, click the Reply button below the comment and type your response. Finally, save your document by clicking File, then Save to keep all comments and changes. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you learn how to add comments in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.